Remember, people, I'm not walking away out of fear of my aunt, or fear of the elder abuse people, or fear of the assholes at that hospital. I'm walking away out of total disgust. And that lawyer I saw, she gave me her word. She says, I can't do it today, but I will do it tomorrow. She gave me her word. She was going to contact that hospital, contact my mom's attorney, the one who should never accepted the case when he realized he knew, Auntie's husband, and contact the place where my mother goes, to get her counseling. She gave me her word she was going to contact these people as my attorney and state whatever and find out what was going on and then get back to me no matter what. She never got back to me. I gave her my word I would get back into therapy. She broke her word, I'm breaking mine. So, this whole sordid mess, I'm walking away out of disgust. Not out of fear, not out of anything, okay? As I repeatedly stated, I've been trying to do the best I could under these circumstances. Auntie wasn't supposed to be a part of the picture, okay? I've been trying to do the best I could. I told you, when my mom's psychologist ignored my repeated things, my lawyer had said to seek out, some kind of temporary, and again, even if it wouldn't be awarded to me, that somebody get temporary whatever over my mother, and that there be a restraining order against so-and-so. But you have to go to your mom's psychologist and tell him, the lawyer, and seek, something from him to get assistance in a judge, granting you that. He blew me off, never even deigned to return my calls. Okay. My urgent messages had meant nothing to him, and then even when I left, this thing that started off, my lawyer suggested that I contact you and request, you know what I mean? The messages I'd left in the very beginning were all urgent things regarding you-know-who, regarding the seizure my mom had, regarding the subsequent excessive amounts of Depakote in response to a seizure that was of unknown origin that this hospital may have actually inadvertently caused my mother to have, So I'm walking away out of disgust for this whole sordid mess. I did everything that my cousin urged me to do, including getting my butt over in person to say, my mom's psychologist has ignored my repeated messages, my repeated calls, even when, so I'm here to speak to his superior, to go over his head, okay? And I got to talk to actually, I guess, the head honcho there, the owner, the director, whatever, the head honcho. But in the end, there's something going on that I didn't know about, where they're also pointing fingers at me. As far as I know, that still cannot possibly excuse this hospital for breaking the law. You know what I mean? I'm sure even if Elder Services is giving them the thumbs up to break the law and just disregard my rights as my mother's legally appointed healthcare proxy, I'm sure that they still can't do that. I'm sure they would have to seek judicial relief and have a judge decide, So as far as I'm concerned, they're all scum. They're all scum. They all treated me like shit, and I'm walking away in disgust. In disgust. And not just in disgust, in disheartened, just sickened. And it's doubtful that I'm, just add another nail to my coffin, Like I said, I'm my mother's